It's the Battle Royale.
Let's get that picture of all
Alright, I'm over it, dude.
Now get him. Pull the knife on USA.
Dude, back the fuck up.
Back the fuck up.
I'm putting this away.
Skateboard, knife fights, and team fights.
Yeah, that's sick.
Yours works way better than mine.
The best one, dude.
Oh, the
shit.
Swiss Army, huh? We bring it old school.
It's tight, dude. Look at that shit. Fuck yeah. Fucking crash, dude.
Ah, just kidding. Hi.
I'm crashed for some reason.
She needs water.
That trucker one's cool, dude. I'm gonna take a picture of that one.